Hi guys, my name is Vibhav Singh. I'm from XTEN-AV and we're in Hall 4, booth 280 at the ISE show 2024. So I'm quickly going to give you a quick preview of our tool XDraw, which is a drawings editor in which you can create different types of drawings and documents and store it over the cloud. So this is the XDraw BOM page. So this is where you can search and add products into your design. We have a library of over 5 million products and over 5,000 brands. So you can be pretty sure that whatever products you use, you will find them in our library. Once you add products in the design, you click on Open XDraw Editor, and this will take you to the drawing. So you can make really nice, beautiful looking drawings like these. There is a ton of automation which is built in. So like if you make connection, it will automatically label the cables. It will also color code as per signal type, so you can do all of that. And once you're done with this drawing, the real magic actually happens. So there are a bunch of other documents associated with that particular design, like the automated signal flow, rack elevation, cable schedule, ceiling speaker layout, scope of work, floor plan, and front elevation. And you'll be surprised to know that we automate all of the other documents. So we're the only company which holds a patent for drawings automation technology. So for example, you will generate an automated signal flow diagram, which looks something like this, which is a pictorial representation of all the products in your design, with all the pictures and how the audio, video, and control signal is flowing between those products. Pretty cool, huh? And it's automatically generated, not manually created by anyone. Similarly, we will also generate a rack elevation automatically. So we will calculate the RUs which you need, and we will pre-populate the rack, and you have the flexibility to move it around though. And then we also create an automated cable schedule based on the drawings which you have created. So source, destination device, the cable labels will be there, and you can print it out in Excel and PDF. We will also build a ceiling speaker layout automatically for you if you have ceiling speakers in your design. And we also build a front elevation automatically. So if you have screens, cameras on your front wall, we'll build a front elevation for you automatically as well. So consider XDraw as a single source of truth for all your project-related work, where all your documentation is in one place. So in future, if you want to service a customer, just go inside this room, you find all the documentation, everything in one place. Really cool stuff. Check it out on XTEN-AV.com. You get a 15-day free trial, which can extend for another 15 days. Thanks for watching.